Annie's Homegrown, Organic Vegan Mac, Cheddar Flavor, 6 ounces, 170 grams. Product Overview Description. Rabbit of approval made with goodness. No artificial flavors, synthetic colors or preservatives. Plant-based recipe. USDA Organic. Organic is always non-GMO pasta and sauce certified organic by Oregon Tilth. Think organic. Meet Bernie. Bernie was Annie's pet Dutch rabbit. When she started the company, Annie chose him to be our official rabbit of approval, representing the simplicity, care and goodness in all of our products. Suggested use. Annie's weigh in 10 minutes. Boil, 6 cups water in a medium saucepan. Stir in, pasta, bring to boil. Cook 8 to 10 minutes, or until done, stirring occasionally. Drain pasta, in colander. While pasta is draining, add 1/3 cup non-dairy milk to the warm saucepan. Optional, add 2 tablespoons buttery spread for richer flavor. Sprinkle seasoning over non-dairy milk, stir to combine. Let thicken. Add cooked pasta back to saucepan and stir well. Enjoy. Annie's suggestions: for a richer flavor, add 2 tablespoons buttery spread. Other ingredients. Best ingredients: organic pasta, organic wheat flour, organic vegan cheddar flavor seasoning, organic rice syrup solids, organic palm oil, sea salt, organic cornstarch, organic pea protein, natural flavor, sunflower lecithin, lactic acid, organic annatto extract, for color, silicon dioxide, for anti-caking. Contains wheat ingredients. We work with trusted suppliers to source only non-GMO ingredients. Warnings. Store in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.